Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 money mistakes that could affect your wealth. Let's get into the video. Managing money wisely is one of the most critical skills for building and sustaining wealth. Yet, even the most financial savvy individual can make mistakes that undermine their efforts. Certain financial missteps, when left unchecked, can significantly impact your ability to grow wealth and achieve long-term financial stability. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 common mistakes that could derail your financial goals and practical ways to avoid them. The first thing is living beyond your means. One of the most prevalent money mistakes is spending more than you earn. This often leads to debt accumulation, especially with credit cards, which carry high interest rates. Living paycheck to paycheck or relying on loans for lifestyle upgrades can prevent you from saving or investing for the future. Why it's harmful. Overspending creates a financial deficit that eats into your ability to save and invest. Over time, this habit can spiral into chronic debt, making it difficult to achieve long-term financial goals like homeownership, retirement, or building an emergency fund. How to avoid it? Create a budget using budgeting methods like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings and investments to ensure you are allocating money wisely. Track your spending. Use budgeting apps to identify areas where you can cut back. Adopt a frugal mindset. Differentiate between needs and wants, and focus on spending money on what truly adds value to your life. The second thing is neglecting to save and invest early. Delaying saving and investment is a mistake many people make, especially when income is tight. The tendency to wait until you make more money to start saving can cost you years of missed opportunity for growth through compound interest. Why it is harmful? The earlier you can start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest magnifies small, consistent investments over time, turning modest contributions into significant wealth. Delaying these actions means you will need to save much more later to achieve the same financial goal. How to avoid that? Start small. Even 20 or 30 or even $50 per month invested in an index fund or retirement account can grow significantly over decades. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfer to savings or investment accounts to make wealth building a consistent habit. Prioritize retirement accounts. Contribute to tax advantage accounts like a 401k or IRA to maximize your saving potentials. The third thing is accumulating high interest debt. High interest debt, particularly from credit cards or payday loans, can quickly erode your financial stability. Carrying a balance month to month results in compounding interest charges, making it much harder to pay off the principal. Why it is harmful? Interest payments on debts are money you could otherwise use for savings or investments. Over time, high interest debt significantly reduces your purchasing power and ability to build wealth. How to avoid it? Pay off balances monthly. If you use credit cards, Pay off the full balance each month to avoid interest charges. Prioritize debt repayment. Use strategies like the debt snowball, paying off smaller debts first, or debt avalanche, focusing on high interest debts, or systematically reduce your debt. Avoid unnecessary debt. Only borrow for assets that appreciate over time, like education or real estate, rather than for lifestyle expenses. The fourth thing is failing to build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can wreak havoc on your finances. If you are not prepared without an emergency fund, you may have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover these costs, plunging you into debt. Why it is harmful. Emergency expenses can derail your financial plans, forcing you to take an high interest debt or sell investment at a loss. This setback delays your ability to build wealth and adds unnecessary financial stress. How to avoid it? Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Automate emergency savings. Set up a recurring transfer to build your emergency fund without having to think about it. Start small. If a full emergency fund feel overwhelming, start with a smaller goal, such as 1,000, and build from there. The fifth thing is ignoring financial education. Many people make poor financial decisions simply because they lack knowledge about personal finance, investing, or money management. Without understanding how money works, you may fall prey to bad advice, scams, or suboptimal financial products. Why it is harmful? A lack of financial literacy can lead to missed opportunity for wealth building, poor investment choices, or decisions that expose you to unnecessary risks. It also leaves you vulnerable to predatory practice such as high-fee financial products. How to avoid it? Educate yourself. Read personal finance books. Follow reputable financial blogs and listen to podcasts to expand your knowledge. Consult professionals. Work with a financial advisor or coach to create a personalized plan that aligns with your goals. Stay updated. Consistent, continuously learn about new financial tools, strategies, and market trends to ensure you're making informed decisions. My thoughts is building wealth require more than just earning money. It's about making intentional financial decisions that align with your goals. By avoiding these 5 common money mistakes I just discussed in the video, living beyond your means, delaying savings, accumulating debt, neglecting an emergency fund, and ignoring financial education, you can create a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Remember, wealth building is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to learning. Start taking small steps today to a secure, prosperous future. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.